So we're gonna add a tablespoon of oil of your preference, and then we're gonna take our homemade frijoles and we're gonna refry these. So just be careful, they will pop up with the fluid. What I love to add to my frijoles is add a little Chef Merito chicken seasoning to it. Gives a little more flavor. So a simple nacho cheese sauce would be with a little shredded cheddar chart, and I usually use a little whipping cream. Look at that beautiful cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and plate our nachos. We're gonna start off with our refried beans, we just fried up. We're gonna drizzle our cheese on. We're gonna add our carne. We're gonna add our salsa.